Hi, this is Steve from Citizens Building Supply, and I'm here to bring you our tip of the day. Loading large equipment into your SUV can be difficult, so we are here to give you a few tips on how to load larger equipment into your SUV properly. Our first tip is to clean out the back of your vehicle. This can make more space and avoid any breakage of items. Our second tip would be to delatch your seats. This would give you a flat surface for your items. Today we will be putting in our 6-foot ladder from Citizens Building Supply. Once you have loaded your items, the next tip would be to get some straps to strap your item in place to avoid any slippage or breakage. Thank you for watching today's tip of the day from Citizens Building Supply. Be sure to come down and check out our new inventory and specials. And don't forget to make your appointment at colechevy.com for your next service appointment. And be sure to stay tuned for next week's tip of the day.